So I just got back from Target. I bought a bunch of cute stuff. I'm gonna start decorating my house. I also just went there for these storage bins so that I can pack away my fall clothes and our jackets, our winter jackets. They were only $5, so I was really excited. I'm gonna do some projects in our bathroom, my master closet. So I got these for the bathroom, probably the upstairs bathroom and the downstairs bathroom. I got a sign that I'm gonna hang up in the bathroom. I got these little jars. They're stackable bowls. I got a random pen, USA. I got these string lights. I think I'm gonna put these in the bathroom with this little thing I'm gonna set up. If you can see that. Spray paint for my other projects, American flags. I got this cool little water thing. I wonder if it's gonna work. I only bought it because I wonder if it's gonna work, so we'll see. I got new bathroom rugs. The ones we have now are just pretty worn out. I got this poster hanger. I'm gonna put this in my cabinet because I'm gonna make a converter chart. That way when I'm baking, I can just look at the chart, and I'm also gonna hang my measuring cups up in the closet so that I can automatically just find them and I don't have to like look around forever to find them. I got some twine here. I have some other stuff that I want to do, some DIY projects that I want to do. So I'm going to wrap this around this cardboard little box I got and make it look kind of like rustic. I got this for the bathroom. I'm going to put stuff in it and it's going to be on the top of the toilet bowl. That was only $3. I got these dry erase labels so that I can get like mason jars and stuff, and then I can put like flour, sugar, and what else? Anything else. I got these starry lights that I'm gonna put in the box that I bought, this cardboard box I bought. I'm gonna make a little seashell thing. I'll show you guys when I make it, but these are lights for that. Then I got a shoe rack. This was $16.99. So I'm gonna put this in my master closet. Then I got these things and they were really cute and they were only $1. And I got these little things. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put these on here. I still gotta figure out what I'm doing for this. But I bought them because they were $1 and they were cute. And then oh, so I found this thing. It's a jacket. It's like super wrinkly right now. It was $34.99 and I got it for $17.48. So I have to pack all of these sweaters into these storage bins. And then I gotta take all of this stuff in this room and put it back in the closet. I'm gonna put these in storage, Ugg boots, snow boots, random shoes. These are just shirts I don't wear and some more sweaters. And these are all my clothes that I have to hang up back in our closet. Random shoes, random Tyler stuff. And then everything's kind of a mess right now because we've been trying to redo stuff. So yesterday I came in here and I painted this window. It was like a dusty, gross pink color. So when we moved in, it was dusty, like a rose, ugly pink color. And they had like a green freaking curtain, not even a curtain. It was like a green shade and it was disgusting and ugly. So I finally repainted this. I also repainted this right here. This was the color that that window was, if you could see that. So we just put this light in here so that we have more light in the closet. And yeah, so I'm gonna get all that done. I'm gonna put the shoe rack in here. I have to hang up back up a rack so that I can hang all my clothes. And yeah, so it's a lot lighter in here. This closet is huge. And so yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that. Evenings on the train or catch a...
Alright, so now I'm going to take all of this stuff out and I'm going to vacuum here because we've been in here doing some work, some paint work, everything like that. So everything just needs to be vacuumed and dusted so that I don't know, just so it's clean. This is from the HVAC split system, whatever you want to call it. So let me get that done and we shall see. I took all the tape off.
We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that. Evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that. Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that. Evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or Queen of Hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Come on. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. I've got my moves, I've got my song. When I turn my mojo on, I'm feeling fine, I'm feeling strong. It won't take long when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Watch me use my witchcraft. I'm gonna use my witchcraft.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now. But it's the
Alright everyone, that's it for this video. I hope this gave you some motivation to clean your house and put those fall clothes away. Drop a comment down below on the next thing you're going to cross off your own to-do list.